Be good, sweetheart. You're playing with fire.
What is it, honey?
Nothing. What the hell? How could I have a dream like that? About Adrian?
Eclipse Corporation CEO Adrian Thorne has wrapped his Middle East deal and returns home today to establish domestic operations.
Just perfect. Ryan already sees Adrian as competition. He is going to lose it. And I'll pay for it.
30 minutes, Titan Hotel.
Suite number 1.
Bring toys and condoms. Oh, and
If you are late,
I pull your mother's medical treatment.
If it wasn't for Mom, I'd be so done with this spoiled psycho. Thank you for today.
don't mention it.
The second a Banks marries a Vanderbilt, you're on the first plane back. What's the plan, sir? Crash the wedding?
Quite the opposite. I'm praying that it happens.
Damn, look what we have here.
How about we keep you company, baby?
Get lost!
Tasty, I like that.
Plain and soaked! Ryan's gonna free!
Still got attitude? Let's fix that.
Why don't you try something?
Am I still dreaming?
Every time I close my eyes, I see you.
Get lost! Grace Sterling, long time no see. I didn't expect the good girl to turn wild.
Adrian, please don't tease me. I'm in a rush. I have to go.
No, I'll drive you. But I'll keep these instead. Call it a reunion gift. In exchange, I'll give you a ride. Pouring out here, it's dangerous to be all alone.
All right. Thank you for your trouble, Mr. Thorne.
Wait, hold this.
Your suit looks expensive. I couldn't afford to pay for it.
Be a good girl. You're playing with fire.
Be good, sweetheart. You're playing with fire.
This is insane. Why does it remind me of that dream?
Grace, where to?
The Titan Hotel, please.
Having a woman bring her own toys to a hotel date isn't gentlemanlike.
It's my job.
You know, I don't get it. What's so special about that Ryan guy? What's keeping you chained to this humiliating work? You know, he's getting married.
You're right. It is more than that. I sold my dignity, my freedom, everything. I am not just his secretary. I am his beck and call girl 24/7.
Jesus Christ, Grace. You deserve better than that. A life with a real job, with dignity and freedom. Look, you'll always be welcome at Eclipse. Whenever you're ready.
Miss Sterling, we've arrived at the Titan Hotel.
Right. Thank you, Mr. Thorne. And
No, it's fine. You need it.
I'll make sure to have it cleaned before I return it.
Get me Ryan's room number.
Yes, sir.
Once upon a time, not so long
Mr. Thorne? What are you doing here?
I'm here to reclaim something precious.
Well, I hope you find it. Goodbye.
My treasure. I found it.
So you're late because you're off seducing another man? Don't flatter yourself. Who would ever want this pathetic, broke charity case?
You deserve better than that. A life with a real job, with dignity and freedom.
Here's what you wanted. I'll be leaving now.
Why not stay? Join us. You are so boring. If you just let me teach you a few things, I'd just turn you into a real Cinderella.
I'm not looking for a prince, but thank you for the offer.
Hey, she's not worth your maker. Focus on me.
You are so... Because she is just a cheap maid
That's right.
who sold everything for $1 million just to be my mother's eyes on me.
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
Bye-bye.
The humiliation. The control. None of it matters. None of it is worse than losing Mom. Adrian, you're still here.
Oh, not even 10 minutes. Ryan guy, he must be a real mama's boy.
And you? Weren't you looking for something precious? Found it pretty fast, huh? Going down or out?
If I was to tell you that I went in,
What's that supposed to mean?
a night this long, this cold, should be spent alone. Grace, I want you.
I'm sorry, I think you've misunderstood. I'm leaving. Good night, Mr. Thorne.
Oh, Grace. Call me whenever you're ready. I'm single now. And I'll be your captive.
So naughty.
Mr. Banks, the meeting has started.
You are always interrupting me and Chloe. I'm starting to think you're doing it on purpose. I'm warning you. Keep your filthy thoughts off of me.
I'll cancel the meeting.
Darling, why do you care about her so much? Who is your fiance? Her or me?
No. She's just a maid sold to our family. Actually, you want to hear something? Her dying adoptive mother, her drug addict father, that whole pathetic family works for me.
Shut up! You can insult me. You can treat me like I'm nothing, but do not talk about my mother. Apologize.
You owe me $1 million. You do not make demands. You, what you are given. Even this job. Remember? This charity. You don't like it, pay the debt. Quick, get out!
Baby, you are just too kind, too generous.
I know. I just don't want her mother dying on our property.
Enough! Shut your filthy mouths! I will pay you back. I quit!
Fine, let your so-called mother die. You bitch!
Your mother's condition has worsened. She needs surgery. Please come to the hospital as soon as you can.
Yeah, I'll be on my way.
Marian's cancer cells are spreading faster. She really needs a surgery. The cost is estimated to be around $500,000.
How
$500,000 to keep that bitch alive? She's not worth it. We're not doing the surgery. I don't have that money. Give you to go ahead and waste it on her. This is a bottomless pit. Even selling you
Gracie, Walter's right. I've decided not to do the treatment. I'm not your biological mother. You don't have to do all this for me.
No. If it weren't for you, I would have starved to death in Mrs. Banks' basement. Okay, you gave me a second chance at life. I'm never gonna give up on you, Mom.
But Gracie, we don't have the money. And I can't ask Mr. Banks again. I don't know what to do.
I will find a way. Don't worry.
Hope he wasn't joking.
Mr. Thorne, does what you said still count?
What was that?
Last time, you said you wanted me.
Why the sudden change? Did Ryan dump you?
I need money. And he didn't dump me, I quit. That's all we were. A boss and his secretary.
How much?
$1.5 million to pay for my mom's treatment and give myself a little freedom and dignity.
Didn't say no, but I do have one condition. Come to Eclipse and become a secretary.
No, I don't think I'm important enough for that job. And the two companies, they're competitors. Aren't you afraid I might betray you?
No, I got complete faith in you. I mean, if you want, we could sign a contract. But right now, feed me that wine. Delicious.
This feeling is familiar, but it's even more intoxicating than in the dream.
You know you look stunning. But selfishly, I want to keep all of that beauty to myself. Let's go.
Where to?
To my place. I want to do this somewhere safer. Somewhere more relaxed. Sensual. Don't be afraid. Help me. Kitten can't wait.
Wait. It could be the hospital.
Go ahead, take it.
You bitch! You dare complain to my mom? Don't forget, you still owe me $1 million. Oh, and your mother's medical bills? I can stop them anytime I want.
I didn't complain. And I'll pay you tomorrow, okay? So you can stop paying now if you want.
Were you talking back to me? Oh, you have a death wish!
Tonight you're mine.
What is that? What are you doing?
Fire up my amber heart.
Is it Adrian's voice?
Can you feel the ground beneath our wood and hold you? Make you my
No. No, Grace is still hung up on me. She wouldn't be with another man. Definitely not Adrian.
I'm a jack while calling. I'll make a bad, bad prisoner.